To change the batteries on the TP7-D, remove the screws from the faceplate. Set those aside. As you can see, there's a battery case on the back of the circuit board. Watch out for your gasket. Using a number 1 screwdriver, remove the screw from the battery cover. Make sure not to lose that screw. Set that aside. Remove your old batteries. Standard AA's. You have your new batteries. Make sure to install them matching the polarity indicators in the case. Place your cover. Reinstall your gasket. You may have to slide it over the faceplate. Make sure it's lined up with the cutout and the handle. Then reinstall your screws. Do a function check to make sure it works.